Hi guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any updates of new videos from Swati Life and Style.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be unboxing Glamego box January 2018. This is my first ever subscription box, and look what I have got for myself, India's #1 subscription box. So what is subscription box? Subscription box is a recurring delivery of premium quality skincare and makeup products. You pay a certain amount of money to the website Glamego, and they are going to send you a box at your home filled with makeup and skincare products. The advantage of this subscription box is that you are getting premium quality products at a very affordable price. So let's talk about the pricing first. If you subscribe for 1 month only, then you have to pay Rs 399. If you are subscribing for 3 months, then you will have to pay Rs 329 per box, and if you subscribe for 6 months, then you will have to pay Rs 299 per box, and if you subscribe for 12 months, then you will have to pay just Rs 289 per box. You will get 4 beauty products each month worth Rs 2500 for just Rs 289, and shipping is also free. Isn't it a great deal? Now let's check out the products I have got in this month's Glamego box. But just a second. Just look at the box, guys. Wonder Woman in different avatar. Isn't it pretty? And hashtag no resolutions. So relatable. I also don't take any resolutions. It came in this cardboard packaging, which is also very sturdy. Now let me open the box. Okay, so at the top of everything, here's a card saying thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box. And at the back side of this card, everything is mentioned, the product details, price, etc. So the first product I received is this Biobloom Age Defying Radiance Booster Face Oil. And guys, the price of this face oil is Rs 1499. That means if you buy this oil individually, then just this one product alone is way more expensive than the whole Glamego box. Isn't that amazing? And this face oil is parabens, mineral oil, petrolatum, LLP and petroleum free. 100% natural. It enhances skin radiance and aids in skin tightening, lightening and rejuvenation. It is suitable for all skin types and age groups. It also diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. It contains apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, rose hip oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, frankincense oil, rosemary, vitamin E and evening primrose. All of these are excellent for skincare. I am seeing myself using this oil quite a lot. You just have to take 3 to 4 drops onto your fingertips, rub them and gently press the oil onto your face. I will use this before bed so that it can work on all over the night. It's like a serum, lightweight and non-sticky, and guys, it smells heavenly. I'm loving it. Okay, the next product I received is this Voste lip gloss in the shade 01 Turf Tan. It's a very pretty brownish kind of nude shade. I like this type of lip shades. And in this winter, I really needed a moisturizing lipper, so I am really looking forward to use this lip gloss. And it is formulated in Italy and priced at Rs 599. Let me swatch it for you. And this is how it looks on me. Nicely pigmented and hydrating. Good product. There are total 4 shades available and I chose this one. The third product I got is this Grapefruit and Vitamin C Vital Nourishment Cream by Natural Bath and Body. I have used products by this brand earlier and those are really of good quality. This one is actually a sample size tube. It claims to lighten, whiten and brighten the skin. Grapefruit and Vitamin C are great for skin. They brighten our skin and help to boost radiance. And another good thing about this cream is that it's paraben free. The texture of this cream is really light and absorbs quickly, so it can be used as day cream, and I think even oily skinned people also can use this cream during winters, and it has a nice scent. Okay, so the last product I received is this face wash by mCaffeine. It has neem and caffeine in it. This one is also paraben free. The MRP of this face wash is Rs 199. It smells so refreshing. I will use it in summer because my skin is feeling dry due to winter, but if you have oily skin, then this one will be a good choice for you. Neem will prevent acne and your skin will feel refreshed. The fourth product for me, the face wash, it is for me as this product can vary. You may not get this face wash, you can get something else, but that will also be a skincare or makeup product from a premium brand worth up to Rs 350. So that was all I got in this month's Glamego box, and honestly speaking, if we buy these products from somewhere else, then just one product could have been priced at Rs 399, and here we are getting 4 beauty products in this price. And all of these are really of high quality. So I think you should definitely check out Glamego box. This is really an affordable and great subscription box for all the beauty product lovers. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also do share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye.